Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store. So if you open your App Store and you sign in with a new account, then you can find this kind of notification, which means if you buy a new iPhone and if you log into your App Store and try to download and install any new app on your iPhone, then you will find this kind of notification. So basically this kind of notification is available when you try to log in App Store with a new Apple ID or new iPhone. So basically you have to simply click on review, and after that you have to simply verify your Apple ID so that you have log into your App Store, and after that this kind of notification will not appear again in your Apple ID or App Store. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.